Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Fresha business account. So, first, you may want to head over to fresha.com, and from the webpage, start by clicking on List Your Business button. And from here, we're going to proceed by clicking on Get Started Now. This will redirect us to the sign up page, and to get started, just enter in your email address, or you can also sign up using your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. Just enter in your details, then proceed by clicking on Join Fresha. And from here, you have an option to create a new business account or join existing businesses. So, in our case, we're going to create a new business account. Start by adding a business name. This name is what your clients will see. Then proceed by clicking on the continue button. Next is choose your category. It could be a hair salon, spa, nail studio, fitness, and more. And once done, once again, proceed by clicking on continue. You might be asked to select account type if you're independent or if you have a team. Then proceed. Also, where do you provide your services if your clients come to a physical location, or you visit your clients or provide virtual services online? So just choose which are applicable for your business. Then proceed by clicking on continue. You might also be asked which software are you currently using, or you can also choose not using any software, then proceed. And lastly, just answer how did you hear about Fresha? Then finalize everything by clicking on the done button. So our business is finally set up. Just proceed by clicking on the done button. So once you're inside your dashboard, in the left panel, click on the settings button. Then just scroll up until you see business setup. Just click on this. And from here, you can make any changes if you want to edit any details about your business, such as your business name, your country, and currency. You can also add locations of your business by clicking on locations, then click on the add button. And from here, just enter in your physical address or choose mobile if you travel to clients. You can also edit client sources. This will help you track how clients find your business. Next is set your services. And to do that, just click on the service menu. And from here, just add each service you offer along with service name, duration, price, staff member who provides it. And you can do that by clicking on the add button. And you can choose if it's single service, bundle, or category. And from here, just fill in all the details about your service. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!